Meme coins have been all the hype in 2024, and as we start to see a little bit more bullish sentiment back in the crypto market, I'm expecting Solana meme coins to continue to outperform the rest of the crypto space. We've seen Solana meme coins and Tron meme coins and Base meme coins all do extremely well, but Solana meme coins have been some of the longer standing projects in crypto. We've seen Dog with Hat and Bonk and Popcat and Book of Meme, and many of these projects have reached over $1 billion market cap at some point in time. And with Solana, we're constantly seeing dozens and dozens of projects launch on Solana's blockchain in the meme coin space. And one of the ways where people like to buy meme coins, getting into them very early on, is with sniping. And that is really one of the only ways you can get into meme coin projects very early. So I've been using a couple of different tools recently and platforms for sniping, one of which is AutoSnipe, because AutoSnipe specifically focuses on the Solana blockchain, and they allow you to do copy trade and snipe meme coins. Very, very simple and easy, like it happens instantaneously. They also have a few other cool features that I want to go over, because this is a platform that is followed by some of the biggest names in the crypto space. You can see it's followed by Wham, which has, hundreds and hundreds of thousands of followers and users. And you can see that with AutoSnipe, if we go ahead and look at their website, we can see AutoSnipe. It says buy and sell Solana tokens at hyperspeed. It says all Solana meme coins, deposit from all chains, detect rugs automatically, and MEV protected trading. So the cool thing about it is that AutoSnipe has like the best UI bot to offer copy trading. It has some of the easiest tools in addition to just AI Sniper. You can see the copy trading, top pairs, radium pairs, moonshot pairs, and all of these things, like also pump.fun pairs. So if we go ahead and click on connect and snipe, it's going to need to have a Phantom wallet. So we're just going to go ahead and connect our Phantom wallet. And once we've connected our Phantom wallet, it's going to say, look, sign message. We're going to go ahead and click on confirm. Once we go ahead and click on confirm, you can see that our account will be activated. We'll have a little bit in here. So if you have a Solana balance, you can see from my wallet, I have another 0.2 Solana in that wallet. If we want to go ahead and transfer that over, we could just do 0.2. We're going to click on deposit, and then we will confirm the transaction, and then we'll see our updated balance on the top right of the screen. So I had already deposited 0.2 before filming this, and I wanted to deposit another 0.2 into this specific account for the video. So now we'll see that this trading wallet balance is going to increase now to 0.4 if we just give it a few seconds or so. So now you can see it's at 0.4. So with AutoSnipe, there's a few main features that we need to go over. So first of all, is going to be with this AI Sniper. So with the AI Sniper, there's a few things that we really need to address, because with AutoSnipe, they have some things that are pretty exciting, and that is that they have the lowest fees. So AutoSnipe uses AI optimized fees, so you don't get hit with a bunch of ridiculous fees that a lot of other snipers and sniper tools have. It's like an innovative feature that other bots simply don't offer. They have their rug detector, which we talked about briefly at the beginning of the video, but this feature helps avoid trading coins that are at risk of being rugged. They have a scam detector, so you can identify potentially scamming tokens before you invest, help to protect your money yet again. And then also they have, like these pump.fun pairs and the moonshot pairs. So with the pump.fun pairs, you can take advantage of all these opportunities very easily, very quickly, and also with moonshot pairs as well. You can just go ahead and click on buy. For any pair you would want, you would just insert however much you want to buy. In terms of Solana, it shows you all the charts, it shows you the buy history, and then it'll just click on buy token. So I don't even know which one we clicked on, but basically it just shows you as tokens are created, you can easily see which ones are being created. You could see the liquidity, you could see all the different details of it, and buy the tokens if you want. And you could see that it shows you, look, all these different things about the tokens to make sure you are protected. So let's really go over the AI Sniper and copy trading tools. So with AI Sniper, you can see that it has a few different options. You can click on all snipers, and you can see, look, you select a sniper, enter your trade amount, and activate the sniper. Shows you exactly how the sniper works. There's a video on it if you want to see it, but it's really, really simple. They have a few automated snipers already that have been created, and you could see it shows you the liquidity of these. There's a top 24-hour trending, there's a high-risk new tokens, top trending in 24 hours, and top trending 5 minutes. So let's just go to the one that has the most Solana, you can see how it says 13.28K at least. Let's just activate the top trending 5 minutes. So if we activate this, you can then go ahead and put in your trading amount. You put in when you want it to expire, whether that's in 10 minutes, to a few days, never. Then you'll go ahead and put however much Solana total to invest. So it says, look, total SOL to allocate by the sniper. Make sure to allocate enough SOL for the sniper. Low balance can result in deactivation, and then a stop loss. So you can optimize all of these things if you would like to change what your sniper is going to be doing, or you can just use the generic features. We could go ahead and just put 0.1, and then we'll just click on activate now. Once it's been activated, then you could go ahead to the activated section and you'll see, your percentage return. Obviously there is none because we just did this. And then you could go ahead and click on view trades. So you can see any of the trades that have been done. Obviously, again, we just did it this second, so nothing has been done just yet. But you can see all that details right there. In addition to this, you could go ahead and click on deactivated. You could see that this was another one that I just made for you guys to see. This was the low risk new tokens. We had already made this one and used their automated snipers that they have generated for us. We can activate this again, and again, that is very simple. We'll just go ahead and click activate again. Make sure all the different trading amounts and total amounts are exactly as you want them to be. We'll just click on activate again, and then boom, it'll say successfully restarted. So now you can go over to Auto Snipe, and we will see on the AI snipers, we'll see activated, it says 2. Now we have these 2 different AI snipers that have been activated. Cool thing about this is that you could also go ahead and create your own sniper. You can enter a name, let's say like top trending 10 minutes, something like that. You can go ahead and look on Radium, and it could say, do you want to do any platform? Moonshot, pump.fum, native to Radium. We're just going to do any platform. You could then go ahead and say listing type. It could be top 24 hours, top 6 hours, top 1 hour, top 5 minutes, or new. Then you can go ahead and adjust all these. So you can go ahead and make exactly what type of sniper you want to use just by going ahead and creating your own sniper. So I personally like using the generic ones, the ones that have used artificial intelligence, have used their AI features to make these for their users. And I personally like those the best. Then if we switch gears and look a little bit at their copy trading. So if we go over to copy trading, it says, look, copy traders at hyperspeed, mirror buy and sell orders from targeted traders on AutoSnipe. So if we go ahead and copy a target address from any platform. So if you don't know what address you want to go about following, you just go ahead and click on that button right there. You click on platform. Then it'll show you Bird Eye, Dune, Kraken. Let's just click on Bird Eye. Then with Bird Eye, it's going to take a second to load. It's going to show you a number of different accounts that have been successful in terms of trading over the last, let's say, week or month or 2 months or 3 months, or even just today. And if we go over the last 3 months, we can see which ones have been the most profitable over that period of time in terms of gainers, in terms of losers. So I'm going to stick away from the losers, but in terms of the gainers, we could go ahead and just copy the best gainer in terms of what they have been doing in terms of trades. If we go ahead and just click on that, we'll copy that address. We'll go back over to copy trading. Then we will paste the wallet address. We'll go ahead, continue. It says invalid public address. Address you can find by using these platforms. So maybe they're not trading anymore. Not a problem. We'll just go over to maybe something that's really active, someone who's consistently trading. Let's go over to yesterday in terms of the trader board. In terms of yesterday, we can see that there were some people who made over $500,000. They had over 2.67 thousand trades. We could go ahead and copy them. Very active. So we're going to go ahead, copy that address, paste it right here, and then we're just going to go ahead and continue. So if we go ahead and click on continue, it's going to show trading history for this individual person, copy history, and we haven't activated anything just yet. But then if you want to go ahead and activate the copy trading, you just say buy exactly for or buy percentage of an actual trade, and then you could just go ahead, put in the total amount of Solana you want to invest. We're going to say 0.1. And then we'll just activate copy trading. So again, it's very simple, very easy to do, and you can follow some of the best traders in the crypto space who have been successful in trading meme coins on Solana by simply going to copy trading, researching different traders, by going to Bird's Eye, copying whatever trader you like, and then go ahead, pick one of these and follow it. And it's a very simple and easy way to be successful in trading by simply doing your research and finding some of the best traders in crypto. And you don't have to do it yourself. You don't have to be the one actually making trades. With AutoSnipe, you can easily copy traders like just by 2 clicks of a button, and then you're automatically copying all of their trades. So ultimately, that is AutoSnipe. It's like a powerful tool for sniping tokens, and it has a lot of speed. There's a lot of security with it, and it's something that is done very simple and easily. It has some of the best UI design I have seen in crypto, and you can see that they are constantly listing new and new pairs just every single second as they are created. So this is something that I think is really interesting and really exciting. If you join through my link, you're going to get a 10% rebate. So make sure to do that. You could also see they have some other bonuses as well. It says, look, earn 40% trading fees instantly forever and get your friends a 10% trading fee discount. So like I said, you could get that 10% rebate by simply using my link in the description. And this is a platform that if you like Solana meme coins, or if you like meme coins in general, this is something that you can easily follow the best traders in the crypto space without having to, do the research yourself or do anything yourself. You just have to be able to find the traders, look them up on Bird's Eye, and then copy them. So something that's definitely worth checking out.